All right, so back here on Barry 66, yesterday, everybody saw our footage. Well, I hope they have, because obviously those are uploaded before this one. New fuel pump. We would prime the engine with gas. We'd prime the carb, fill the bowls, fire it up, it would run fine. And then it's like there's a pressure blockage because the pump is pumping, but we aren't getting hardly any fuel in the filter bowl here. So I'm curious as if the needle and seat may be stuck and we ain't filling the carb because we ain't getting any fuel through here. So first order of business is going to be, I've already pulled the pin here from the accelerator pump. I've already pulled the pin out here on the choke arm. There we go. Very carefully, don't want to drop that. I gotta pull the pin from this choke arm. Then I'm gonna pull the top off on the fuel fitting.